Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed a Twitter widget into your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to showcase your latest tweets directly on your site, keeping your content fresh and engaging for visitors without any manual updates. First, open your browser and head over to elfsite.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Elfsite is a platform that provides various widgets to enhance your website, and their Twitter feed widget is exactly what we need for this integration. After logging in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on Add New App. This will open up a search field where you can browse through all available widgets. In the search bar, type Twitter and hit Enter. From the results that appear, click on Twitter Feed. This is the widget that will pull your Twitter content and display it on your Squarespace site. Now you'll be presented with several template options for how your Twitter feed should look. For this tutorial, we're going to use the sidebar widget template as it fits nicely into most website layouts. Click on it and then click Continue with this template to move forward with the customization process. Next, you'll need to input your Twitter username into the provided field. This tells the widget which Twitter account to pull tweets from, so make sure you enter it correctly. Once you've typed in your username, click Apply. This connects your Twitter account to the widget and starts loading your tweets into the preview. After you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish to finalize your widget settings. A confirmation message will appear, so go ahead and click Close to dismiss it. Your widget is now ready to be embedded on your website. Now locate the three dots next to your newly created widget. Click on them to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Embed Code. This will display the code snippet you need to integrate the widget into Squarespace. Click to copy this code and keep it ready for the next steps. Switch over to your Squarespace website and click Edit to enter the editing mode. Navigate to the page where you want your Twitter feed to appear. Once there, click Add Block to insert a new element onto your page. From the block options that appear, click Embed. This is the block type that allows you to add custom code to your Squarespace site. You'll see a pencil icon appear on the Embed block. Click on it to open the editing options. Next, click Code Snippet, which is the format we need for embedding external widgets. Then click Embed Data to access the field where you'll paste your code. Now paste the embedded code you copied earlier from Elfsite into this field. This code contains all the instructions for displaying your Twitter feed exactly as you configured it. After pasting, click Preview in Safe Mode. This lets you see how the widget will look on your live site without actually publishing it yet, giving you a chance to make adjustments if needed. Once everything looks good and your Twitter feed is displaying correctly, click Save. Your Twitter widget is now successfully embedded into your Squarespace website and will automatically update with your latest tweets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.